What is your good name, madam?
My name is Shilpa, sir.
What is your age?
My age is 31.
You are from which place?
I am Kolar district, Masti, Hubli.
Obli. What you are doing?
Housewife, I am also studying, sir,
Studying.
for government job.
Very good.
Doing government job.
You tell me your HBA1C was earlier 10.9.
10.4, sir.
10.4. Okay. So that was prevailing since how many months?
Since September, I did the test,
All test.
Yes, sir.
That means you came to know only in September.
Yes, sir.
Thereafter, what medications you have started? Allopathic medications you have started?
Sir.
No.
My diabetic diagnosed 1.5 year gone. Sir.
1.5 year back it was diagnosed. So that time how much it was HbA1c?
That time 13, sir.
13.
13.
So only through diet you have reduced it.
Yeah, diet and also in St. John they started insulin and tablet.
Insulin and all. So
15 days I admitted.
Then
Then they started insulin.
Insulin.
1 month I took insulin. Then I went to another doctor. They suggest to take a tablet, no need insulin. Then I joined after February month I diagnosed. Then after I joined April month for HBA freedom from diabetic, 1 year course. They suggested no need insulin. First of all, I am taking a tablet only.
Okay.
They gave diet and exercise and all. 6 months they 6 months only no growth.
Okay. Thereafter.
After my almost my tablet reduced. Then when I took vaccine, COVID vaccine, first dose, that time my
Again,
it
has increased.
increased, sir.
Thereafter, you straight away came to here.
No, sir. The doctor suggested to do GAD antibody 65 test, sir. That is so much cost. That also I did test. In that test, positive is came, sir. They told you are not type 2 diabetic. You have type 1 typical diabetic LADA. They told your HbA1c also increased. My HbA1c increased. My sugar also increased. In tablet they did not control. You should take must and should take insulin only. Your lifelong insulin that sir. But I depressed so much, sir. Then after I take a tablet only, course also is completed. Then my relative told to come here.
For miracle drinks.
1 month I took.
So during this 1 month, have you taken other than miracle drinks any allopathic medications?
No, sir.
Nothing.
Tablet I'm taking tablet also and insulin also I'm continuing. And some insulin decreasing, sir.
How much you have decreased
First
insulin?
I came here, I'm taking a 18 point unit morning, then evening 15 units.
Now how much
Now
you
I
have?
am taking morning 12 unit, evening 10 unit.
That means you have reduced the insulin.
reduced, sir.
How many units you have reduced in the morning?
Morning 15, 3 units, sir.
3 units.
Starting 18, 6 unit I reduced.
6 unit morning you have reduced. Evening?
Evening 5 unit.
That means within a month you have reduced morning 6 units, evening 5 minutes.
5 units, sir.
Then tablets have you reduced?
No, sir.
You have not reduced. So in spite.
Tablet I'm taking Zomili 50, sir.
Okay. So that means in spite of that, 10.4 HbA1c reduced to
7.9.
7.9. Almost 2.4 units in a single month it has reduced. Is it? So what about your body, other health parameters? Any changes have you
So
seen?
happy, sir. My hand is so paining. I can't wash
Clothes and all.
Clothes and all.
Now it has gone.
It's gone.
For how many days our miracle drinks treatment you could
15
able
days I gone, sir.
that pain and all
Pain
gone.
and all gone.
Thereafter
Thereafter body pain also is there. That is also
disappeared.
disappeared.